Why are you using outdoor background when you can only change your background free and it's very easy to do? I'm telling you, your background will also can affect your video quality. If you are using a dull background, your video will come out dull. So you need to change your background to beautiful background so that your video will come out clear and beautiful. So you even make people to want to watch it, to attract people to watch your videos. And I'm telling you, to change your background is free. To get those background is free. I'm telling you it's free. I'll be telling you how you are going to get your background that you can use with an AI, and you can also change those backgrounds. It is very, very easy to do and it is free. If this is what you'd like to watch and like to listen to, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, like the video, press the notification bell, and also share with all the background I'm using. I always change my background. These are not my original background. I always change my background in all my videos because I always want my background to come out fine and beautiful. So you have to learn how to change your background, and I'm going to tell you the way you are going to do it easy in this video. If you have finished creating your videos, you have created your videos, you have used any background that you want. Now, if you want to change your background, the first thing that we need to create the background first. We're using an AI. You need to create the background first, and the image creator you're going to be using is called Pink. So just go to your Chrome, on your phone or your laptop. I'm using my phone. Just click on Pink, B-I-N-G. There's an image creator. Just click on it. If you have not signed in, you have to sign in. I already signed up, so that's why it's very easy to sign in. You have to use your email address to sign in. So this is why you're going to be writing our prompt. So you're going to just need a very simple prompt. The prompt I'm going to do is I'll leave in my description for you to see. So I'm just going to write a very simple sitting room background. You can use bedroom background, anyone that you want. I want to use a sitting room background. This for my YouTube videos. Don't worry, the prompt I'll put in the description section. Just need to adjust it the way you want. You should make it very simple. You want a simple thing. So when you are done with your prompt, just click on create. So you have to create 13 now. I'm creating now. I have 12. You can create 13 images in a day. Yes, you can see 13 images in a day. So you can see it's very good. Look at the image I brought up. Let's click on it to see to view each one. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. If you don't like it, just click on this X. Now you can adjust. If you have any color in mind you want to put, or anything in mind that you want to put, you can just put it. I'm going to be using a blue. Let's put a blue background. If you have any color, just say with a blue background, a blue color. Let's see. Take a while to create. You can see very beautiful. You can play with it as you like. Just click it. If you don't like it, ask you to create another one. Let's create another one again. If you don't like this one, if you like red color, any color, if you want everything you want to put, just put it in your prompt. Okay, just want something simple. I think I like this. It's very simple. If you see anyone that you like, just download it. Download in your file, it will be download there. So we are done. I've seen the image that you want. Now let's go and change the background on our video. I always use an image editor called InShot. I'm still going to explain to you how you're going to do this InShot. It's very simple to use and it's free. Video, photo, collage. So I'm going to video, just click on video, new video. Yes. So just look at the videos on my, you can pick as many videos as you want. Just going to be picking 2 for one. I'm just picking 2 for the sake of the tutorial. I don't want it to be too lengthy. You can see that we added. Let me reduce the volume because to avoid copyright. Because I'm still going to use this video. This is our video. You want to cut out. You want to remove the background. We'll be using cut out. So cut out. Just click on cut out. cut out. To take a while, take one also, click on it, press cut out. As it's going to take a while to cut out, so you have to wait. You are done with your cutout. The next thing is that you have to go and choose your background. So do for background here, and this background. These are the background that is available on InShot. You can still cut them, but we already put our own background, so let's go and use it. To just click here. You can use any like this, so Canva, you can use it. It's very simple to use. Now just pick on any one. Okay, I love the guy. So they'll give you different. Look at this. You can see different ones. You can see, but look, I love this one. It's better. Just choose it. Now, next thing that, because we are using it for YouTube videos, so you have to change the canvas size. So go click on Canva, choose 16:9. Now, zoom in. Still cutting out, that is why there's no issue. Can use your hand to adjust it. Can adjust it the way you want. We are done. Just click on it. It's still cutting out. You can see it's still say 39%. That is why it's like this. So you can see your video is ready. Just play. At the beginning of this video, it is very easy to change your background. You can now see. I hope you watch the video to the end, and you can see that it's easy for you to get those backgrounds and change them easy and free. So if you have not been doing that, so now start changing the background of your videos, so your video quality will come out fine and beautiful. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you have watched this and you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. Join this community. We need you in this community. Join my community. Let us vibe together. Nikki want to vibe with you, so let us vibe together. Join the community. Subscribe, like the video, press the notification bell, and also share with others. Share with others. See you in my next video. Bye.